The well-known haters to lovers trope is an age-old romantic plot device that, let's admit, works every time in series. It is so deliciously satisfying watching a couple who fuss and fight like dogs slowly realize what was in front of them all along. There will be times when two of them are feeling some deep emotions with one another without their conscious realization. We sit in front of our screens demanding that the lovers realize what we knew all along. They were meant to be together. Check out our latest list of boys' love dramas with hate-to-love relationship for you to enjoy and cheer on. Number 1. Tae-oh in I Told Sunset About You. Tae and Oh-eun were best friends until a boyhood line of reasoning turned them into rivals. Years later, as they are preparing for university admissions, both pursuing interest in the field of communication arts, the two meet in a Chinese language class. Their reunion awakens complicated and unstable feelings. Number 2. Than Type in Than Type. Type is a dark, tall and handsome freshman. Although he is a warm boy, he is homophobic because he was molested by a man as a child. His life turns upside down when the new year of college brings along a very interesting person in his life, a gay roommate, Than. Than is a very handsome music major with fair skin and mixed features. He is also openly gay, with a gay guy and a guy who hates gay men that have to share a small space together for the rest of the year. What can possibly be the outcome of their story? Hatred or maybe love? Number 3. Kongpop Arthits in Sotheses. Fast forward 2 years later, Kongpop is now the head hazer in his faculty while Arthit works in the Ocean Electric Company. During Kongpop's final year, he needs to find an internship company and requests to work alongside Arthit over his family's company, which unbeknownst to Arthit. After an outing with the company, tensions rise between the two and both will have to decide their future. Will Arthit and Kongpop remain a couple? Number 4. Sun Mok in Dark Blue Kiss. The continuation of Kao, Pete, Sun and Mok's story. Sun has begun to give up his unrequited with Kao, and suddenly Mok is around a lot more. While Sun pushes Rain to stay away from Mok, the younger man's uncontrollable behavior draws him in. Sun's seriousness is holding Mok down. Despite their constant clashing, the two start to care for each other. Number 5. Tang Fei in History 3 Trapped. The story of a police officer who becomes trapped in the underworld as he develops feelings for a gang leader. 4 years ago, a veteran cop and an elderly gangster were killed in a gunshot attack. The only survivor and the dead gangster's prodigy, the enigmatic and ruthless Tang Yi, is now the new gang leader who will stop at nothing to find the murderer and plans an elaborate trap to lure him out of hiding. Honest police officer Meng Xiaofei is obsessed with knowing the truth behind this case to avenge his mentor's death and spends all his spare time tracking Tang Yi and trying to find out what he's up to. When Meng and Tang Yi are kidnapped together and forced to survive in Cold Mountain, things start to change between them. Number 6. Shishu in We Best Love. Number 1 for you. Zhao Shuyi stared at the class report and saw Gao Shidei's name above him again. He didn't understand. He had always ranked second ever since Gao Shidei came into his life. For this reason, he was excited to go to college and parted ways. He hoped to never see Gao Shidei again. In college, he joined the swimming club and was revered by everyone. He was happily enjoying college life until Gao Shidei suddenly appeared at the swimming competition during the senior year. This made him wonder why Gao Shidei always followed him wherever he went. But little did he know that Gao Shidei had eyes for him and would never let him go. Number 7. Fighter tutor Saizon in Why Are You? Tutor is said to be wise beyond his age and acts rationally, while Fighter is the emotional kind. They started having some animosity with each other but developed a close relationship right after. Saifa is a popular musician and is often engaged in acts of mischief, while Zon, a sci-fi writer, is shy yet stubborn. Due to a bet made with his sister Zol, he starts writing sci-fi stories. But after being scolded by his parents for not studying properly, his writing is cut short. Later, when his friends tell him to steal ideas from his sister, he sees that his name is being used in her fiction along with his enemies, Saifa. Number 8. Hoxie in History 3 Make Our Days Count. High schoolers Xiang Hao Ting and Yu Siku appear to be polar opposites. While Hao Ting is an outgoing, hot-headed extrovert and sometime bully, Siku prefers to keep a low profile and focus on his schoolwork. What will happen when the two worlds collide as their relationship ensued? Number 9. Tin Can in Love by Chance. Growing up in a wealthy family, Tin had always enjoyed the privileges that inherently came with wealth. Tin had closed his heart off to the world until the day he met Can, an innocent and rather impressionable young man. Can had never met anyone quite like Tin. An incorruptible soul, Can's sweetness left an indelible impression on Tin and their friendship blossomed overnight. However, as Tin and Can drew closer, Tin began to realize his feelings for his friend were quickly becoming much stronger than those of simple friendship. Number 10. Janjia in Capture Lover. This drama tells the story of Ding Janji, the deputy general manager of a cosmetic company, and Ying Jiaming, the son of a cynical chairman of the board. Though the two originally have a tit-for-tat, cat and a mouse relationship, they gradually come to know and understand one another. So which pair of haters turned lovers is your favorite? Please let us know in the comments below. Also, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. See ya in the next video. Tada!